ScanTheSun. Increase efficiency, reduce costs, get the most of your photovoltaic installation using the optimization panel. Use ScanTheSun software to mark your building on satellite image. Then get your roof three-dimensional digital model with augmented reality feature. Select your desired solar panel model, the installation type, and finish your design with few clicks. Right after that, you will obtain a link to your photovoltaic installation design where you can make important optimizations within few seconds. Open your project in a web browser. Under the three-dimensional roof model, you will find the Design Optimization button, which opens the Quick Optimization panel. Here, you can get the most of your PV design using few optimization parameters. The panel's number limit parameter, the annual energy demand limit parameter, the nominal power limit parameter, and finally the efficiency threshold parameter. All these parameters reduce the photovoltaic projects by unnecessary elements. But first, let's take a look on the Panels Edition module in your web browser project website. The panels are labeled with different colors corresponding to their operation efficiency. Red labeled panels work with the highest efficiency and generate the most of the yield. Yellow labeled ones generate less energy, while blue colored are the least efficient ones. Similar color map is used for cloud of points presenting the roof's solar energy potential. So ScanTheSun knows the areas of low energy potential and low energy yield. Reducing the design by unnecessary elements will remove panels exactly in these low energy areas, leaving the highest efficiency panels in the design. Let's play with the panel's number limit parameter. Initially, you get the design with the maximum possible number of panels. Here it is 459 panels. Now, you can reduce the number of panels in your project. Let's assume that only 289 panels are needed. Your project has been reduced to the desired number of panels. As presented on the panel layout picture, ScanTheSun has removed panels in the least efficient areas. There are no panels marked in blue anymore. ScanTheSun has left the most efficient panels, marked in yellow and red color. Let's limit the panels number even more, to 250. The least efficient panels on the right roof side has been removed. Limiting the number to 210 will remove the least efficient panels on the left side of the roof. Reducing the number to 150 will remove panels around chimneys, since these are less efficient than the remaining ones. This way you can get the best PV design with the highest energy yield and the least investment cost. The other optimization parameters work in the same way. Here, your initial design can cover the maximum annual building energy demand of around 182 megawatt-hours. However, from the energy bill it is known that the building consumes only 98 megawatt-hours per year. Your design has been reduced to cover the desired annual energy demand with the least number of the best panels with the highest efficiency. The nominal power of the installation can also be reduced to meet local regulatory requirements like those set by the electricity grid operator. Here we limit the nominal power to 105 kilowatt peak. This time the set nominal power will produce the highest energy yield with the best panels on the roof. For scientists, there is the last parameter you can use, the efficiency threshold slider. Setting the slider to 75% will keep the panels having at least 75% yield of the best panel in the design. Anytime you can restore the initial design with the Restore button. So, you can feel free while playing with the optimization features of ScanTheSun.